Hey guys, it is Paul with the Awesomer, and today we are checking out a slick new gadget called the Divoom Times Frame. This is not like any other digital picture frame. It does a whole lot more. It can display widgets, animations. It's got LED, ambient lighting on the side. Let's take a look at this thing. So when you first set this up, you need to connect it to the Divoom app in the App Store, and then you can get it connected onto your Wi-Fi network. As we dig in deeper into this, you'll see that we're going to be able to change clock faces, animations, load photos onto this thing, put widgets on it for news, stocks, weather, etc. You can see how sharp this display is. It's a 10.1 inch full HD screen with a semi-transparent backing to it. And so on lighter screens, you can actually see through it. You can use the smartphone app to connect to the Times frame and switch between different modes, but you can also use the knob here on the side of the device, which has a bunch of presets already here for different configurations of widgets and clock faces. I like the science fiction one. You just turn the wheel, press the button, and it switches to the other interface. Pretty slick stuff. We've got a news feed here, we've got stocks, we've got cryptocurrency information. I'm very glad that I did not buy Bitcoin when it was $110,000. This is highly configurable. You can change the backgrounds, you can change the style of clock, you can change what widgets display on the screen. It's all editable inside the mobile app. And there's a style to really suit sort of every different aesthetic. If you want something very minimalist, you can go to this one with a more sort of analog clock display. You can pick something that's very bright and whimsical, like this RetroPie display. And then all of these sort of high-tech looks. If you want to keep track of stocks and just be very data focused, there's this interface as well, which is a little bit overwhelming with all the information it has on it, but it gives you access to stock information, live tickers, time, calendar, all of that built in. Now remember, this is also a picture frame, so it can switch between all these different modes, and so you can rotate between looking at your family's photos and actually getting information from the display. Most of these digital picture frames are really just focused on sharing photos. I think my favorite that I found was this one called the Windows 95 widgets, which really does look a lot like Windows 95 with our little widgets. You can configure all this as well. There are social media widgets as well. So this particular one shows YouTube statistics. There are other ones that you can load in for Instagram and TikTok and Facebook to keep track of your follower count. One of the coolest things about this display is that it's actually a transparent LCD. So if you look carefully, you can actually see my hand through the display here. If you don't like this effect, they do include this card in the box, which can sit behind the display, and it sort of concentrates the light inward, makes it a little bit of a brighter display. I prefer the see-through effect. I think it's really slick and something that you don't see on other displays. So one thing I realized when I was taking a look at this reflector card is I thought this was a reflective surface you're supposed to place behind the screen, but if you place it behind the screen like this, you can actually see the Divoom logo, which you don't want. So you're going to want to take this, you want to flip it around and use the white side, and that's going to give you the most brightness out of the back of the display and keep all the ambient light that's coming off of it to a minimum. One thing you might have noticed is while I'm talking, these RGB LED lights on the side are changing. And that's because there's a microphone built into the Times frame that's reacting to sound around, which is great if you're listening to music. If you're just hearing my voice, you probably don't want to see this going up and down all the time. So let's say you don't like the sound reactive lights on the side. It's very easy to go in. You click this button on the side, press it, go to the adjustment menu, and then you can go to color adjustment. First off, you can change the color to any color that you like. So let's say that we wanted it to be purple all the time. And you can see it's all purple instead of rainbow color, which is nice, but maybe I don't want it to be sound reactive anymore. So I can go into the ambient effect setting, and there's a bunch of different effects. Some of them are just automated, so you can just change the way it glows. And then if you just want to leave it on all the time, we can come over here to this setting, and that just makes it stay on at all times. And again, you can just go to your color of your choice for the ambient light. I think in a darker room, this is a more interesting effect. If you don't want to upload personal photos, you have the option of uploading all sorts of animated GIF images. There's a massive library of these that have been created by the Divoom community. You can have it cycle through these different ones, And then the Divoom app actually lets you create your own animations using a pixel art editor, as well as AI tools for building animations from scratch. So in addition to all of the built-in display faces, there's a huge library of ones that you can download using the Divoom app. This is one of the examples, this fun sort of outer space theme, but there are a number of other ones, and there are fully customizable ones where you can choose your own photos, you can choose what widgets go on the screen, you can choose the font face, things like that. This particular clock is one that looks like some gadget out of Fallout that's been run over by a tank or something. The overall quality of the times frame seems very good. It is mostly plastic, but I don't see any issues in terms of build quality. Everything's got really nice seams to it, very well fitted together. So in general, I've been really impressed with the Divoom times frame. It's a really versatile desktop device, not only a picture frame for showing your photo albums, but you can show the news and the weather and stocks and pixel art and use it as like an interactive audio meter. It's a really neat piece of hardware that's very different than typical digital picture frames. I like the aesthetic of it. It's kind of funky, cyberpunk, modern look to it, and overall build quality is quite good. The one thing I do not like is this. I think this is almost an afterthought in terms of the design. It's a piece of sort of flimsy cardstock with a gloss coating on it, and if you don't like this ambient white light coming off the back of the display, or if you want to concentrate the light and have a brighter screen, you have to put this in place. And I'm just afraid that over time, this paper card is going to wear out and it's not going to hold in place. I think that Divoom probably should include something like a piece of acrylic that's cut to the right size and shape to work behind the screen, and maybe some sort of locking track or something to keep it in place. But that all said, really enjoyed playing with this. I'm going to keep it on my desk. It's going to add a nice accent of color and a nice place to display my photos and display news, weather, other information as well.